Good morning everyone, here we are at the four-wheel drive fiberglass workshops here in Hamilton, New Zealand. It's summarising the 2 months I've been back here. I've been working away. There's 16 campervan roofs which we've completed. Some have already been installed by a third party onto the Hiace fans. I've also got the JK fenders that are in the process of moulding up, making wider. They're 2 inch wider, 50mm wider front fenders and rear fenders. And the rear fenders for the 2 inch wider will go on the brute tub. This one it's for a friend, will be bobtailed. So in other words, that line at the top will come back down to that line at the bottom. And you can see we've got the cuts in the back to be able to retain some of the structure, the support structure on the underside. Otherwise, into the workshop here, excuse me, into the workshop here. Just some of the work in progress. Pretty much the visor, the windshield visor for the CJ and YJ. So we've got that fitted onto the Jeep. So we made the mould here, made the plug the last time we were back here 6 months ago. So yeah, that's made and installed. And yeah, otherwise this Suzuki Jimny shell is for sale. We were going to mould the whole body, we haven't. We just moulded some of it, but I can't see me doing that. And another Land Cruiser 70 series mid-wheelbase body, no rust in that body, that's just the body tub, that's for sale. The J20 cab and all the front end panels including the doors, it's in mint condition, that's for sale. And yeah, pretty much everything in here is for sale, even the Land Rover, the Series 1. Actually, I'll step off the ladder and show you, but before I do, there's the Land Cruiser 70 series here with the 80 series 4.2 turbo diesel. Only done 40,000 kilometres this engine, and that's sitting on 60 series coiled suspension, Range Rover suspension. And the body, steel body on the back, it's mint. It's been tubbed to allow for wheel articulation, and it's got all LX interior fitted to it, and PTO winch on the front, and which I think is a Nissan PTO winch. This one here has a, I think it was off a Hiace, similar to the Toyota PTO winch on this Land Rover. It's got a Chevy 327 installed, and Nissan front diff, 80 series Land Cruiser rear. This is all custom. It's actually really well engineered underneath. A guy did work for me, fabricator, really good quality work. Otherwise, just carrying on with, or we'll carry on with the CJ5. Still got to work on the back roof section. Didn't get much of a chance. I want to infill the windows, don't like it the way it is, I will modify it. It's all fiberglass body, apart from the front radiator support panel is steel. Much as I can do glass, I did have a steel one. And Dana running gear, it's PTO winch on it. And oh, this is Nissan winch on it. Otherwise, the V-dub, I didn't get any work done on it this time back. Just ran out of time, having been working on making the parts out of the Hiace roof, and also finished making the mould for the Land Rover Defender roof, the 110. So I've got to return that to a friend over in the Mamacoos. And yeah, so as you can see, it's been a few years, 6 years ago, since Alice and I were working on the V-dub body. Still got the front end to finish off, and you can't see the interior, it's dark in there. Got to do the interior, finish that off. I'd like to get that done next time I'm back, hopefully. But it's sitting on the trailer, which used to be stored up the side, so just makes it easier to move around, albeit I do have the overhead gantry up there to be able to lift the body off and then do work on it. So yeah, here we are in Hamilton last week before we head back to the four-wheel drive fiberglass Arizona USA workshops and continue with Jeep work over there. Otherwise, catch you later, people. Thank you very much. Bye.